你们好，我是神奇画家树静然。今天我们要读的书是《The Cat in the Hat》。The sun did not shine. It was too wet to play. So we sat in the house all that cold, wet day. I sat there with Sally. We sat there, we two, and I said, how I wish we had something to do, to go out, and too cold to play ball. So we sat in the house. We did nothing at all, so all we could do was to sit. And we did not like it, not one little bit. Bump. And then something went bump. How that bump made us jump. We looked and we saw him step in on
Steep 吗？
Step
什么？
Step in on the mat. We looked and we saw him to the cat in the hat. And he said to us, why do you sit there like that? I know it is wet and the sun is not sunny, but we can have lots of good fun that is funny. I know some good games we'll play, said the cat. I know some new tricks, said the cat in the hat. A lot of good tricks. I will show them to you. Your mother will not mind at all if I do. And then Sally and I did not know what to say. Our mother was out of the house for the day.
Good.
But our fish said, no, make that cat go away. Tell that cat in the hat, you do not want to play. He should not be here. He should not be about. He should not be here when your mother is out. Now, have no favor.
不对 ，e-a 连在一起读什么
Fever.
？No， 它不是 v 的音，它不是没有 v。
Fear. Have no fear, said the cat. The tricks are not bad, said the cat in the hat. Why, we can have lots of good fun if you wish. Will a game?
No, not will.
With a game that I call up with a fish.
Can you point this when you're reading? Can you point each word when you're reading?
Put me down, said the fish. This is not fun at all. Put me down, said the fish. I do not wish to fall. Have no fear.
不对，
Have no fear, said the cat. I will not let you fall. I will hold you up high as I stand on a ball with a book on one hand and a cup on my hat. But that is not all I can do, said the cat. Look at me now, said the cat, with a cup and a cake on the top of my head. I can hold up 2 books and can hold up the fish and a little toy ship and some milk on a dish. And look, I can hop up and down on the ball. But that is not all. Oh no, that is not all. Look at me now. It is fun to have fun, but you have to know how. I can hold up the cup and the milk and the cake. I can hold up 3 books.
I can hold up.
I can hold up these books and the fish on a rake. I can hold the toy ship and a little toy man. And look, with my tail, and I can hold a red fan. I can, as I hop,
no.
as I
你再读到这儿了。
fun.
I can.
I can fan with the fan as I hop on the ball. But that is not all. Oh no, that is not all.
So amazing, see? Oh, finally, what happened?
That is what the cat said when he fell. Then he fall.
No, not fall.
That is what the cat said
嗯，
when
不是 when，
Then
自己读。You
then he fall.
不是 fall，not fall。
Then he fell on his head. He came down with a bump from up there on the ball. And Sally and I we saw all the same fall. And our fish came down too. He fell into a pot. He said, "Do I like this? Oh no, I do not. This is not a good game," said our fish as he lit. "No, I do not like it. Not one little bit." Now look that you did.
No, now look.
Now look what you did, said the fish to the cat. Now look at this house. Look at this. Look at that. You think Sting. You sank our toy ship. Sank our toy ship. And you sank it deep in the cave. You shook up our house. And you bent our new rake.
Bent.
Our new rake. You should not be here when our mother is not. You get out of this house, said the fish in the pot. I like to.
什么 What?
But I like to be here. Oh, I like it a lot, said the cat in the hat to the fish in the pot. I will not go away. I do not wish to go in. So, said the cat in the hat. So, I will show you another good game that I know.
Good. So what happened next?
And then he ran out, and then fast as a box.
Fast as
And then he ran out, and then fast as a box.
不是 not box.
Fox. And Cat in the Hat came back and was a box.
What kind of box?
A big red wood box It was shut with a hook. Now look at this trick, said the cat. Take a look.
Oh, here it's shut with a hook.
I will pick up the hook. You will see something new. 2 things, and I call them Sing 1 and Sinking 2.
Sing.
Sing 3. Sing
No.
2.
Point it.
These things will not bit.
No, not bit.
Not bite you. They want to have fun. Then sing to.
Point it. Otherwise, you don't know where you're reading. Then
out of the box came Sing 2 and Sing 1. And they ran to us fast. They said, how do you know? How do you do? Would you like to skate hands?
no,
Would you like to skate?
no, not skate.
Shake hands with Sing 1 and Sing 2?
Will you shake hands with Sing 1 and Sing 2?
And Sally and I did not know what to do. So we had to shake hands with Sing 1 and Sing 2. We shook their 2 hands those hands should not
No,
be.
you have to point out. You already lost.
But our fish said, no, those things should not be in this house. Make them go. They should not be here when your mother is not. Put them out. Put them out, said the fish in the pot. Turn the page in the corner. Oops. Have no fear, said. Have no fear, little fish, said the cat in the hat. These things are good things, and he gave them a pat. They have come here to. They are team.
No, so
They are team.
why you sound tame? It should be
They are
wall sound.
Tam. Oh, so Tam. They will give you some.
You have to point out. You already lost.
They have come. They have come here to play. They will give you some fun on this wet day. Now here is a game that they like, said the cat. They like to fly kites, said the cat in the hat. No, not in the house, said the fish in the pot. They should not fly kites. They should not fly kites. Oh, in the house they should not. Oh, the things they will bump. Oh, the things they will hit. Oh, I do not like it. Not one little bit. Then Sally and I saw them run down the hall. Bump their. We saw those two things bump their kites on the wall. Bump, trump,
No,
bump, sup,
some.
bump, thump, bump. Down the wall in the hair,
你的什么？
in the hole. When the
什
singing,
么？问吗
then the singing,
？Then
then those things ran about. We with big bumps, jumps, and kicks, and with humps and big trumps,
no, not trumps. Big.
thumps,
Yeah.
and all kids are
All
bad,
and all.
and all kinds of bad tricks. And I said, I do not like the way that they play. If Mother could see this, oh, that would,
Oh.
oh, what would she say?
Yeah.
So do something fast, said the fish. Do you hear?
No.
Do you hear?
No.
Do you
E-A.
hear?
Mm.
He saw.
Mm?
Do you hear?
It's
saw
a
her.
感叹号.
Do you hear?
No. Do you hear?
Do you hear? I saw her. You, mother.
Your.
Your mother. Your mother is near. So as fast as you can, think of something you to do.
No. Think of.
Think of something to do. You will have to get rid of thing 1 and thing 2. Thing 1 and thing 2.
Thing 1 and thing 2 are too naughty, right?
So as fast as I could, I went after the net. And I said, "Where's my net? I bet with my net. I can get
No, you lost one row.
I can get them. I bet with my net I can get the thing yet. Yeah. And then who was back in the house? Why the cat have no fear of these mice?
No. No. How to sound this wall sound? Short wall.
Miss.
Short wall.
Mess, said the cat in the hat. I always pick up all my playthings, and so I will show you other good.
I will show
I
you.
will show you good. I will show you another good trick that I know. Then we saw him pick up all the things that were down. He picked up the cake and the rake and the ground
No, and
the
没有 R.
go round.
No.
Go round.
No, it's gone.
Down and the milk and the stirrings.
No.
And strings and the books and the dish and the fan and the cup and the ship and the dish, and he put them away. Then he said, "What is?"
No. Then he said.
"That is that." And
It's period, not a question mark.
and then
That is.
that is that. And when he
And
when
no, not when.
and then he was gone with a
With
trip
no, not trip.
with a tip on his hat.
No, it's not on.
Tip of his hat.
Almost done.
Then our mother came in and she said to us too,
You pointed.
"Did you have any fun? Tell me, what did you do?" should we tell her the things that went on there?
The things.
The things that went on.
No. The last.
There. That.
Team. Yeah, you have
The
to read.
things that went on there that day. Should we tell her about it now? What should we do? Will said.
Well,
what would you do if your mother asked you?
it's a long story. Do you like it?
我说中文。
这个是长长的一个故事，你喜欢吗？
我喜欢。
读懂了吗
就懂啦。
？Okay, great work. So.
对，好，再见。我是。